Can divorces be filed online? Clearing up the confusion. Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today I want to clear up some confusion about filing for divorce online in California. If you've Googled this, you've probably seen a mix of information, some of it true, some of it misleading. Let's break it down. The misleading promises of automated divorce websites. When people search for "Can I file for divorce online?" they often see ads for automated divorce websites promising a quick and easy divorce process. These sites claim to handle everything for a low fee, but what they really do is provide generic fill-in-the-blank forms without reviewing them for accuracy or compliance with your county's specific requirements. Many people who use these services still end up getting their paperwork rejected because no one verifies if the forms are filled out correctly. The truth about online divorce in California. Now, here's what's actually true. Some California counties allow electronic filing, e-filing, but that doesn't mean the entire divorce process can be handled online from start to finish without professional assistance. You still need to prepare and submit financial disclosures, serve your spouse properly, and ensure that all agreements are formatted correctly for court approval. Why a paralegal service like Divorce661.com is the best option? This is where using a paralegal service like Divorce661.com makes all the difference. Instead of leaving you to figure everything out on your own, we personally handle the entire process for you. We make sure your forms are done right, file them correctly, and prevent costly mistakes that could delay your case. Real client experience fixing a stalled online divorce case. A couple I recently helped had originally used one of those cheap online divorce services thinking it would be fast and easy. After months of waiting, they realized their case had stalled because their forms were incomplete. They came to us frustrated, and we were able to fix their paperwork, properly e-file their documents, and get their case moving again. Call to action: get your divorce done right. So, yes, you can file for divorce online, but that doesn't mean it's as simple as clicking a button. If you want your divorce done correctly and efficiently, contact us at Divorce661.com to schedule your free phone consultation. We'll take care of everything so you don't have to worry about delays or rejected paperwork.